channel. Dr. Rogers here. So I just thought I've never made this video, but there are a couple of scholarships especially in Korea. You call them professor scholarships, meaning you do have professors who have fundings, huge fundings, and one of the such fundings require them to be able to sponsor and train students. So if you're able to join their research team, they can cover for either your tuition and give you an allowance or all of it. That is 100%, 50%, 60%, and some of them are really good. And these are some of the scholarships I think are way more easier, faster to obtain. So, but for you to be able to get them, you need to impress the professor. And how can you do that? I already made a video on how you can contact professors. Apart from that, you need to check on our channel. Secondly, another thing is that you email the professor. You could email a professor, and if you go through that video, I explain how you can email the professors and all of that. And if they pick your attention, they can probably assess you and check if you're eligible and recommend you to the universities. And since some of these professors are very popular in the universities, because universities run like business models, so once that is done, they can recommend you to the university, and then you can be awarded the scholarships. So in some cases, you might have to pay your flight, but if you're with some professors who have lots of fundings, they can pick from funding A, B, C, D, add it up, and then have you being sponsored. So do not be left out on such opportunities. And if you still wonder and you do not know how to go about this, I would recommend you subscribe to our channel, stick onto it, or you can send me a PV message. If I feel inspired, I'll definitely help you about that, but it's not guaranteed. So let's grow together and let's stay on this channel. Peace out.